Even if magaling ka, people won't know that unless you make it easier for them to find and understand you. Kung hindi nila alam na magaling ka at ikaw na nakakaalam, wala rin mangyayari. So kahit naghahanap ka ng opportunities para sa'yo, mahihirapan ka because no one actually knows what you are capable of doing. Back in the days, I think 2015, 16, around those years, meron naging event. It was OFCON. It was the very first time na lumabas ako sa lungga ko. And there was that one person na may nagdanggit na, uy, look at her. Kahit na naka-wheelchair siya, she's here showing up. While others have so many excuses na hindi makakapunta sa event kasi malayo, kasi traffic and all those things. And that moment really changed my thinking. If you really want people to see you, if you really want people na makilala ka, you really have to show up. I was also someone who didn't know anything. I was also someone na nahihiya to really put myself out there. And when I started to show up, eventually people started reaching out hanggang sa masanay ka, hindi mo mamamalayan, ang dami ng oportunidad na lumalapit sa'yo.
Come and fly away with me.